Advocate Fadzai Mahere is once again come and slammed the Mnangagwa administration pamusoro pedeal rakaitiwa between Zimbabwe and China. Rinoonekwa kunzi Zimbabwe and China sealed a $55 million economic deal. Panguva inoi panoonekwa kunzi they also signed a $6.9 million food assistance agreement. Sadapinda mashoko onekwa panguva inoi Mahere achiexposa aiwa zviri kuitika the ruling party ZANU-PF. Not to subscribe or like on the bell icon. Timida pana paindo yakamudanyira chiri good day kumangwana. Number 1. What kind of agreement is this? What is Zimbabwe giving China in return for food assistance? Are you able to publicize the terms of this agreement? Why should they be a secret? Number 2. Why do we need the Chinese to farm food for us? Why did we take back the land if we can't even feed our population? Number 3. Gondoye Minda, Command Agriculture and Fumbuza later. Why is there no food security? Did these schemes fail? Surely that's the only conclusion that we can draw if we are now begging for food aid with the new leaders. Nomashkaruda Pangwa in a Arvestagona Advocate Mahere, Majita Iowa. Why can't you publicize my terms in agreement amaketa ni China? Anonoka kunze aiwa mari dziri kutaurwa apo dzinotoshamisa kuti what is Zimbabwe giving China in return for food? Panguva ine vachisila madhiu ekuma 50-60 million zvisiko zvonekwa kunze necrisis irimo munyika kunoonekwa kunze macivil servants they are being underpaid. Vanhu panguva ino zvinhu zvinomira zvakanaka, masectors kumahospitals, infrastructure, maroads, economy, everything is sagging. And panguva ine kunoonekwa kunze the government inenge ichisecure these million agreements. Tudze mafunguro enyu matodi pamusoro pechituko ichi. Ndakumasection medu mafunguro enyu. So subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.